Hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm the CEO and founder of Kura Home, and we're at home today cleaning air ducts, and we are frequently asked if we can clean flex air ducts. We definitely can, and I'm going to show you how today. The first tool that we use is actually this air compressor hose. It's really lightweight. It has a plastic tip on here with actually reverse blasting holes in it. So as we turn on our high-powered air compressor, it does a really good job of agitating that dust and blasting it backwards towards our HEPA vacuum. But this doesn't have any sharp edges on it or whipping brushes, so it's not going to damage that flex duct in the home. So we can put this in, and it actually is light enough that it's going to go right down the center of that air duct. So let's put this in here. We're going to put our dome on top. We're going to attach our HEPA vacuum. And as I turn this on, we're just going to see right off the bat, a ton of debris is blasted back towards our HEPA vacuum. So we can propel this hose through, and I can actually twist and turn this, and every time I'm feeding this hose in, we're going in about a foot farther. So we're already about 10, 11 feet into this air duct. It's really, really important anytime you have your air ducts cleaned that you're working with a company that can go all the way into the air ducts and their equipment is going all the way in, not just a few feet. As we pull this back, we're going to pull it back nice and slow so that air from the air compressor can do its job and get all that dust and debris off of the air duct and is pushing it back here. As we pull it back, this dust, dander, skin cells, this is probably from a lot of pets and construction debris over time, and just people living here, you can see is coming back to our HEPA vacuum and getting blast right in here. This is a pretty dirty air duct. Really, really important that you don't let your air ducts get to this point. You want to be cleaning about every 2 to 3 years. If you haven't cleaned your air ducts in the last 2 to 3 years, give us a call at Kura Home. We'd be happy to improve the air quality at your home.